Question number 161. Midbrain is located between. Midbrain is situated between hypothalamus, that is forebrain, and pons varolii, that is hindbrain. So, as it is present between forebrain and hindbrain, it is known as midbrain. So, the correct answer to this question is option number 3. It is present between hypothalamus and pons varolii. Option number 1, hypothalamus and cerebellum, is an incorrect option. Option number 2, thalamus and hypothalamus, is also an incorrect option. And the last option, pons and medulla oblongata, is also incorrect. So, the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 162. Read the following statements A and B and choose the correct option. Statement A says, photoreceptors in human eye are depolarized during darkness and become hyperpolarized in response to the light stimulus. And this is a correct statement. The next statement is statement B. High density of cones are present at the center of visual field called fovea in human eye is also a correct statement. So as both the statements are correct, the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Both statements A and B are correct. The next option is incorrect. Both statements A and B are incorrect. The next option, option number 3, is only statement A is correct, is incorrect. And the last option, option number 4, only statement B is correct, is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 163. Blood calcium level is lowered by deficiency of. And the options given are calcitonin and parathormone, vitamin D and parathormone, melatonin and parathormone, parathormone and thyroxine. Blood calcium level increases by both vitamin D and parathormone or PTH. Vitamin D increases absorption of calcium in blood, and parathormone causes resorption of bones to release calcium in blood. So deficiency of both vitamin D and parathormone decreases blood calcium level. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, vitamin D and parathormone. Option number 1, calcitonin and parathormone, is incorrect. Option number 3, melatonin and parathormone, is incorrect. Melatonin is a hormone which is released from pineal gland. The last option, parathormone and thyroxine, is incorrect. Thyroxine is a hormone released from thyroid gland. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 164. Which of the following hormones is not a steroid? And the options given are androgen, vasopressin, aldosterone, progesterone. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, vasopressin, also known as ADH or antidiuretic hormone, which is a peptide hormone and not a steroid hormone. So option number 1, 3 and 4 are steroid hormones, so cannot be a correct answer. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 165. Match column A and column B and choose the option with only correct match. In column A, the very first match given is horizontal and amacrine cells. And as horizontal and amacrine cells, they are present in the retina of eye. So A matches with 1. The second option is helicotrema, and helicotrema is present in internal ear. So B goes with the third option in column 2. C option in column 1 is corpus callosum, and corpus callosum are tract of nerve fibers which connect to cerebral hemisphere. So this goes with the fourth option, that is forebrain. So C goes with fourth option in column 2. And the last option in column A is Bowman's gland, which is present in olfactory epithelium. So D goes with the second option in column B. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, A with 1, B with 3, C with 4 and D with 2. Correct answer to this question is 2. Let's proceed to the next question.